Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon on GeForce Now. Good news, Forza Horizon 5 is now officially supported, allowing you to stream it directly. This means you can enjoy its stunning open world and thrilling races without needing a powerful local PC. You'll need to own the game on Steam or have an active Xbox PC Game Pass subscription to access it through the cloud service. It's a straightforward process to get started and enjoy the game's incredible visuals and gameplay. To play Forza Horizon 5, simply launch the GeForce Now application and use the search function to find the game. Once located, you'll be prompted to select the platform where you own the game, such as Steam or Xbox. After choosing your platform, you'll need to sign in with your respective account credentials. This connects your game library to GeForce Now, allowing you to instantly stream and dive into the action-packed world of Forza Horizon 5. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, an active GeForce Now membership is essential. For internet, a stable connection of at least 25 Mbps is recommended for full HD resolutions at 60 frames per second. For the best possible performance and to minimize any potential lag, we highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection. This provides a more consistent and reliable stream, ensuring your racing adventures are uninterrupted and visually stunning. With Forza Horizon 5 now fully supported on GeForce Now, you can experience high-fidelity racing on almost any device, from your PC to a mobile phone. This cloud gaming solution offers incredible flexibility, letting you play your favorite racing title wherever you have a good internet connection. Remember to check the description for the link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy racing, and we'll see you on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.